Hey vaqueros, this is Andre with the University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department, and today we'll be cooking... Okay. Alright vaqueros, let's try this again. Today we'll be talking about propane stove safety. A propane stove is a useful tool to have not only for camping, but also in case of an emergency. Before using a propane stove, be sure to read and understand the manufacturer's instructions. Not all stoves are the same, so be sure to know what kind of stove you're working with. Be sure to place your stove on a firm, level, and non-flammable surface. When connecting your fuel source, don't be afraid of the hiss. Keep twisting until it's fully connected. When turning on your burner, always ignite your starter first before turning on your fuel. Remember, fire before fuel. Never leave your stove unattended, not only for the safety of your food, but for the safety of you and others. And finally, and most importantly, make sure to use your stove in a properly ventilated outdoor area, never inside a camper, tent, or garage. Propane gives off carbon monoxide. It has no taste, color, or odor. It can build up quickly without being detected and unfortunately can be deadly to people who inhale it. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, check it out.
Alright, I'm ready to cook this baby.
What? Who are you?
Who am I? What do you mean, who am I? I'm Mario with University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department. Weird joke, Andre.
What?
Hey guys, I got this stuff for the water purification video.
Who's this? Who are you?
I'm Kat with the University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department.
What?
Yeah, didn't you get the new memo?
Yeah, Andre, didn't you get the memo?
I didn't get a memo.